Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened in the market today and what can we expect from the market tomorrow. So start from chart looking at Nifty. So what we said is if it goes below this yesterday's low, we can expect kind of shorting position. But market never gave a after the first candle, it never gave a position for going for short, right? So it was always volatile, and market remained volatile, and then it went up today. So it is against the trend that we could not do the trade today. So no trade is taken because it is not as per our plan. So what can we expect from tomorrow from the market is that it is now that it is traveling in the channel actually. Market is trying in the channel. It is trying to go in the channel, and the thing is even it is traveling in a trend line coming from top actually. So the first position is if market gap up happens near this trend line, we can see a rejection. If there is a rejection starts coming down, we can go for short. We can have a definitely 100 points market coming down. That is the first thing. And the second thing is if market gap down and if it is available near the channel, bottom of the channel, if you see bounce, we can go for long. We can expect 100 points market coming again to the top. If market gap down and closes or breaks this channel, we can expect market again going down 100 points. So these are the three scenarios we have it. First one is market gap up and then rejected getting at the trend line. Go for short of 100 points. And if there's gap down here, near the bottom of the channel. If it is bounce, we can go for long 100 points. If it breaks this channel down, then 100 points below. So these are the three scenarios we have it for tomorrow for Nifty. Let's look at what we had discussed about. Let's see the slide that I have captured. So no trade today. Tomorrow gap up short if rejected near the trend line, and gap down flat and down if reverses near channel bottom. Short if breaks channel. So these are the things we are talking about for Nifty. So if it come to like Bank Nifty, so similar to this one, if there is a gap up near this top today's high, if you see a rejection here coming here, then go for short. So the point is, if market the buy is only possible 45 500. If the market is above 45 500, we can go for long. If it is getting rejected at the today's high, go for short. Then we can expect to 50 points coming down market, and gap down near this trend line, go for long. If there is a bounce again, it is coming to the top of it only. Then the second short is position is if it breaks this trend line, then we can look for shorting position tomorrow. So these are the three scenarios. It is similar to like what we have it in Nifty. Bank Nifty also is in the same position that it is in the middle of this channel that is traveling. So if it is rejected from the top, we go for short. If it breaks the channel, this trend line below, then go for short. If it is near this trend line, if it bounces, go for bounce. I mean, go for long. So these are the scenarios are similar to what we have it in Nifty. Let's talk about lens. So lens, I think we said that if it breaks this high, this line we have drawn yesterday, if it breaks this, definitely we can expect 20 points. Market gave 20 points exactly. So mark looks like lens is in bullish momentum. So what we can expect is if there is a gap up, wait for a dip and then reversal, simple reversal, go for long. That is what I could see it. So otherwise, it has to break this ch- bottom gap down below 648. We can expect the market. If it breaks, we can go for short. Otherwise, we can look for the long scenarios tomorrow, either gap up or gap down. If there is a gap up, definitely or a dip, deep and reversal, we can go for long. And if there is a gap down also, we can look for reversal to go for long. If it breaks this bottom 2648, we can go for short. These are the scenarios for lens. So if you'll see the analysis clearly, now you can like this video and then subscribe this if you're not done the subscription, and you can also encourage your friends to subscribe to these channels. So yeah, this is what I have it for today. Thanks for watching this video.